Okay, what are we doing? What are they? What's in there?
Bunny cookies.
So what are we gonna have? We're gonna have bunny cookies? Is this some bright?
I don't like that
No, that's not very nice, is it? Let's
No.
turn that off. Better?
No.
Better for bunny cookies. See? We do more bunny cookies.
No.
Want to sit up at that? Oh, we're just gonna sit here and wait for bunny cookies to be cooked? We're gonna watch them. Look. Bunny cookies.
They're all warm up now.
They'll be all warmed up in a few minutes. We got 5 minutes left and they're done. They're all melting, see? Finishing your milky?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. One day we can put down our oven.
Okay, we'll put up on the oven. Whoa.
No, down the oven.
You just gonna hang out here with Dad?
Go for a couple hours.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna go to Cool Mom Mary's.
No.